My name's Joanna. This is River, and this is Pixel. And we use our Retract-A-Gate here at the bottom of the stairs to keep the dogs from running to the front door when someone comes in, and to keep them from going upstairs when we want them to stay down. Very easy to use, one-handed. You can use it for either side. You just pull it over. It hooks on these hooks over here, and you can turn this to lock it. You just turn it to unlock, you pull it forward, and it comes over here. Now I'm going to show you how I installed it. The Retract-A-Gate was amazingly easy to install. We attached it to the wall over here. As you can see, down at the bottom, it attached to the baseboard. So I got some spacers from Retract-A-Gate to pull the hook out so that this was exactly even with the hook at the bottom because of the baseboards. I was able to attach it to a stud. If you're not able to attach it to a stud, you can use drywall anchors. Again, very easy to use, and while they give you recommendations for the spacing, as you can see, it's a little lenient on the spacing because there's not actually anything between the two hooks. On the other side, I use this Retract-A-Gate specifically for this space because, as you can see, my banister mount has a space from the bottom to where the banister is. So I was able to get creative and use two boards as spacers. I use electrical tie to tie this banister mount to the banister with the boards between them. And then using the spacing recommended by Retract-A-Gate, I put a hook at the bottom and a hook at the top. And as you can see, these hooks need to be a little more measured out because they're going to fit perfectly within these holes here and here. We put the Retract-A-Gate in this space to keep the dogs out from the front and to keep the dogs from going upstairs. It serves dual purpose and it works very well for us.